Okay, this is the comparison of three eyepieces which are 10 millimeter and in a field of view of 68 to 72. So Televue Delos is 10 millimeter and 72 degrees eyepiece. Pentax XW10 is 10 millimeter and 70 degrees eyepiece. Field of view, and Baader Hyperion 10 millimeter modular eyepiece is 10 millimeter and 68 degrees field of view. So let's compare and see how they are. So let's look at the eyepiece lens, the eye lens. If all of these are to compare, the Pentax has the darkest coating. Then comes second Hyperion, quite dark. Least dark of all is the coating of the Delos. So let's just put them one by one, starting from Delos. Okay, first we start with the Televue Delos, 72 degrees field of view. Let's see how it looks. And that was the Televue Delos 10 millimeter eyepiece. Now let's go for the Pentax XW10. This is the Pentax XW10. Let's see how the image looks like. And that was the view through the Pentax XW10 millimeter. This is the Baader Hyperion 10 millimeter 68 degrees. Let's see how the image looks like through this. And that was the view through the Baader Hyperion 10 millimeter modular eyepiece. The telescope I was using was my lovely, trustworthy Skywatcher ED80 Pro Series Apochromatic telescope, the gold version. And the target was those petunia flowers in that pot, which is around 25 to 30 meters away. Now at the center. Now, my impressions. You saw the images, of course. It depends on how easy it was for me to hold the camera in front of the eyepiece. I felt that for camera holding, the 10 millimeter Pentax was easier. Let me turn on the flash. For visual observation, when I placed my eye, the 10 millimeter Delos was slightly easier and more comfortable. Mechanically, I think Pentax is the best. Hyperion image quality was very similar, but don't like this fiddly eye guard of it because it comes off easily. Although it is more versatile, you can adopt it and use with a few rings you can actually make it to smaller focal length and higher powers. But that's again something that you may not need if you have dedicated eyepieces like 7mm or 5mm of this varieties of eyepiece, the brands. So all in all, which one I recommend? It depends on your budget, all of it. Hyperion is the cheapest. Then the Pentax is around 2.5 times. And then this is the most expensive, Televue Delos. So if you are short of budget, you can get it with one of these. And practically you will not miss much. But if you can afford a little bit more, mechanically this is superior to all these two. This is the best mechanically, and optically really good. And if you can afford a little bit more, this, but mechanically I don't like it because it's twist eye guard, and the way that you can bring it up and down is not my cup of tea. It just gets loose in the field. You may just drop it, you may just all the time moving loose something. This is more mechanically stable. It's very industrial looking, sleek and precise and simple. So all in all, if your money is not a problem, Pentax XW10, that's for me. I like it. If the money is an issue, you can go for Hyperion 10. You don't lose much in the image quality. And you can also have the Delos 10mm, which is a good eyepiece. I thought is easier, slightly easier on the eye when you're watching visually. That's all, and I hope you have enjoyed this comparison.